people. So there's this particular show on Netflix that is called Warrior Nun, and it's a my God, it's a kind of show that will give you goosebumps. Like, it is trending on the top three spot on the most watched shows in India. So, but honestly, it's been set in Andalusia, Spain, and Andalusia is a place where this actor, Antonio Banderas, he was born in that place. But really, yeah, this will give you goosebumps. So, um, I mean, try and catch it, people. It's called The Warrior Nun, and it's on Netflix. I don't want to say more because certain shows you don't know what to, it's like they're very different. So try and catch it. It's on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe. And like I said, I really want to make my videos only 1 minute long. That's why this